Every piece of music or song in Power Music can have an audio file attached to it. There are a number of ways in which we can link an audio file to a piece of music. And I use the word link there deliberately because you're not making a copy of the audio file, you're simply pointing to an audio file you've got stored somewhere on your computer. So if you put links into audio files and then move the audio files off your computer, then they won't play anymore. So make sure that when you put the links in, you're putting in links to files that won't be changing. We can add a link through our Edit Song screen. So if I choose For Elise, which I've got a piece of music for, we go to Edit Song. And down here we can browse to an audio file. So I'll click on there and browse to it. And here's our piece of music that we want to add. So we click on there and we click on Open. And that links it to that particular piece of music. We can try it to see if it works. That's working fine. And if we save now from the editor, that piece of music will be linked into this piece. I'm just going to close down the player. I'm actually going to delete that link from here because I want to show you another way of adding the same piece of music in a different way. So I'll just delete that from there and cancel out of the editor. The other way to add in audio is when you have your piece of music in a playlist. So here it is in a playlist. When you bring it up in full screen and look at the bottom of the sidebar, you'll see there's a bit that says Link to Audio File. If I click on there, again I can browse to my audio file, open it, and that's it linked, and the little player down here. So again, if I play, I get the audio playing along with this. I can set up the audio to automatically play as soon as a song is opened. Now this is useful if it's something like a backing track, so that when you move on to a particular song or piece of music, it automatically plays the audio file. And you do that by clicking the button here, saying automatically play the audio as soon as we move on to that piece of music. Taking the click off means that you can start the audio manually, either as I say by clicking on the play button here or pressing the A key on the keyboard, and that starts playing the audio. So that's how we can link audio files to a piece of music in Power Music.